Hello and welcome to DriverLink Training's tuition video on Module 3A. The first part of the video, we will be covering vehicle reversing. Here, we will give you a brief walkthrough of the reversing process. Before starting your reversing maneuver, give yourself a good start by positioning the vehicle correctly. Note, as with all vehicles coupled up to a trailer, the steering dynamics change somewhat. This means when wanting to turn the trailer one way, you must steer the vehicle the opposite direction. Here, you will notice the instructor wants to maneuver his trailer to the left. To achieve this, he has turned his steering wheel to the right. Once the driver is satisfied of his reversing position, he must now turn in the opposite direction to straighten the vehicle and position themselves to turn into the coned area. Note, the driver's wheel may touch the yellow guideline, but cannot go fully over. If the wheel goes fully over, this would count as an automatic fail. When reversing into the hatched area, please note that all cones and reverse markers cannot be touched by the vehicle. Again, this would be an automatic fail. The instructor is now positioning himself to reverse into the coned area as straight as possible. This is achieved by making small quarter turns to the left and to the right of the steering wheel. If you have not managed to enter the coned area straight, you may take a total of 2 shunts to straighten up the vehicle. Once you have entered the coned area, taking no more than a total of 2 shunts, you must now reverse your vehicle until the rear of the trailer enters the solid yellow box and is in the solid black diagonal stripes. Note, you may stop short of the yellow boxed area if you feel you are unsure of your stopping position. After making the vehicle safe, you may get out and check the rear positioning of the trailer, but you may only do this once. You must then return to the vehicle and complete the reversing maneuver. We will now cover part 2 of our tuition video on Module 3A. This will cover the uncoupling and coupling procedure. Note, a good way of remembering the correct way to complete this process safely is to use the acronym B.L.A.C.K. B.L.A.C.K stands for B for brakes, L for legs, A for airlines, C for clip, and K for kingpin. Brake. Before exiting the vehicle, make sure you have left it in a safe condition by applying the vehicle parking brake and turning the ignition off. You may now exit the vehicle and apply the trailer parking brake. Legs. Remove the winding handle from its securing position and turn in a clockwise direction until the landing leg plates reach the floor. Now secure the winding handle away. Airlines. Remove all airlines and electrical connectors, remembering to remove airlines carefully as these are under pressure and are unpredictable and may fire back at speed. Grab all cables safely and rest them over the trailer drawbar. Clip. Remove securing clip from kingpin panel. Kingpin. Pull the yellow handle down and turn 90 degrees to the right. You will now see it is level with the red marker and is now in the unlock position. The vehicle is now safe to pull away from the trailer. The instructor will now demonstrate the coupling procedure. Again, using the acronym B.L.A.C.K, but this time we must use it backwards. So we will start with kingpin, then we will move on to clip, then onto airlines, then onto legs, and finally the parking brake. You will notice that the instructor has pulled his vehicle forward to align it with the trailer in a straight manner. Stopping short of the trailer, secure the vehicle by applying the handbrake and turning ignition off, exit the vehicle and walk to the rear and check that the drawbar trailer is aligned with the vehicle. Kingpin. Turn the yellow handle in a clockwise direction 90 degrees. Then tuck the handle away and then continue to close the kingpin control panel door. Clip. Secure the clip onto the kingpin control panel. You should now enter your vehicle and slowly reverse your vehicle up to the trailer. Now, present the vehicle to the trailer by slowly reversing up to the drawbar connection and securing the kingpin in position. Note, you are allowed 2 shunts in a forward position to make sure the vehicle and trailer are safely connected.
On first, because that's the hardest one. With it being in this position as well, it's easier. So you're going to line the cutout over the pin, put the nozzle in, jump forward, maybe give it a quarter of a turn, make sure it's secure. And I'll show you on this one. Yeah? Okay? Nice and simple. This is your ABS lead. Has a groove there, and there's a raised bit in the centre, so it should go in. I'll go the other way. Nice and easy. There we go. lock that. And then finally, this is your electrics again. Little slot in there. Now, because I put my side lights on, you can now see the side of the trailer. We have power to the trailer. Either side. So you know you've got no electrical faults. Okay. And we go back around the side.
Legs. Remove the winding handle from its securing position and turn the handle in an anti-clockwise direction until the legs are fully up. You may now secure the winding handle away in its securing position. Brake. You may now apply the parking brake, and this completes your coupling maneuver. That now completes our tuition video on module 3A.